So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
This is what happens when you lick your spilled latte off the steering wheel. She did that. She's gross.
Lois, you okay?
Yeah, it's just my allergies. They've been awful. I can't figure out what it is.
Maybe it's Brian. He practically sleeps on top of you. You could be allergic to him.
Hey, here's an idea, Chris. Why don't you mind your own business?
You know, I did read that people can develop allergies to their pets. I mean, Brian, maybe you shouldn't sleep in our bedroom for a little while.
What?
Yo!
Well, then where am I supposed to sleep?
All out in your own apartment, like a grown-up.
Do you have a problem with me, Chris?
Why don't you sleep in Stewie's room? There's plenty of space.
Roomies? Dude, this will be so ill.
Who are you?
I'll tell you who. Your new roommate.
I'm gonna go take a shower so I can blow my nose into my hands. Damn it! Hate this house.
Morning, honey.
Go to hell.
Employee ID. 1 second, please. Okay. Next. Wait. I sneezed. It's fine.
For some things, you only have one chance to get it right.
Didn't seem fine.
A few moments later.
ID, please. Oh,
Yeah.
have a good day.
It's very difficult to have conversations when you just keep sneezing.
Roll the dice at you. Emotions everywhere.
I've just need.
Bless you.
Excuse me.
Crikey. That's nice.
Walt. I think I just sneezed out world peace.
Now the headlines. In an unexpected turn of events, I can now confirm that world peace has been achieved. We have our international affairs correspondent, Tom Finley, on the lines from Brussels.
Cool.
Sneezing is a very normal thing to do and unpredictable, but we can try to do it as most delicately and politely as possible. Hi, I'm Hazely Lopez, Director of Hazely Academy of Refinement and Modeling, and I'm here to talk to you about how to sneeze properly. Tissue in hand, make sure that you do not sneeze with your hands in front of you. It's going to open more the fact that you're going to be sharing your germs with other people. If you sneeze with your hands in your mouth, then you're going to be touching everything, and that can spread the cold and germs to everybody else. The proper and correct way to do it is to do it in your arm or towards your elbow. The most important thing is to always try to be in control. Don't hold your sneeze back, because that's gonna, in the long run, affect you. So just go. Make sure that you do it as quietly and nice as possible, in a very nice and polite way. And after all, don't worry about it. It's understandable, it's natural. I'm Hazely Lopez, Director of Hazely Academy of Refinement and Modeling. And remember, just be yourself. Basically, you want to be ready. If you know you have a cold, make sure you have some tissues on hand, and that's going to definitely help you control when that time comes in.